everyone, welcome back to Nursing Arena. Myself Lakshmi, and now we are ready to discuss some of MCQs of anatomy and physiology. Please subscribe our channel and like and share my videos. So let's start. The first question is pacemaker of heart is AV node, AV bundle, Purkinje fibers, and SA node. And here the correct answer is option D, SA node. SA node and sinoatrial node, called a pacemaker of heart because it generates electrical impulses into the heart. So sometimes it's called natural pacemaker of heart, and the SA node is located in the upper right atrium, which is the largest synovial joint of the human body. Knee joint, shoulder joint, wrist joint, and ankle joint. And here the correct answer is option A, knee joint. Knee joint is the largest synovial joint of human body, and it's a type of hinge joint. Which of the following is a long continuous strand of DNA that carries genetic information? Ribosome, nucleus, chromosome, and mitochondria. And here the correct answer is option C, chromosomes. Cooley's fracture is a fracture of distal end of ulna, proximal end of radius, distal end of radius, and shaft of humerus. And here the correct answer is option C. The Cooley's fracture is a fracture of distal end of radius. The hormone is secreted by the posterior pituitary, luteinizing oxytocin, melanocyte secreting, and prolactin. And here the correct answer is option B, oxytocin. The posterior pituitary gland secretes oxytocin and vasopressin or ADH hormone. The main difference between a prokaryotic cell and an eukaryotic cell is the absence of plasma membrane, mitochondria, true nucleus, and flagella. And here the correct answer is option C, true nucleus. In the prokaryotic cell, the true nucleus is absent, but in the eukaryotic cells, the true nucleus is present. The normal range of 4 pH of blood is 7.35 to 7.45, 7.47 to 7.57, 7.11 to 7.22, and 8 to 8.2. गाइस, अगर आपने अभी तक हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें. And here the correct answer is option A. Glyconeogenesis is regulated by the hormone insulin, cortisol, glycolysis, and enterokinase. And here the correct answer is option B. Cortisol is regulate the glyconeogenesis. A patient is scheduled for a pulmonary function test, and the nurse explained that during the test, the respiratory therapist will ask the patient to breathe normally to measure the tidal volume, residual volume, totaling capacity, and vital capacity. And here the correct answer is option A, tidal volume. Tidal volume is a measure of the movement of the head and shoulder is controlled by the abducens nerve, accessory nerve, hypoglossal nerve, and glossopharyngeal nerve. And here the correct answer is option B, accessory nerve. Accessory nerve control the movement of head and shoulder. The amount of blood ejected by each ventricular contraction is called the cardiac output, stroke volume, tidal volume, and expiratory reserve. The amount of blood ejected by each ventricular contraction is called stroke volume. और स्ट्रोक वॉल्यूम को और हार्ट रेट से इनटू करके कार्डियक आउटपुट निकलता है. सीकेम, कोलोन एंड रेक्टम आर अ पार्ट ऑफ स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन, लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन, प्लूरल कैविटी एंड पेरिटोनियम. And the cecum, colon and rectum are the part of large intestine. Small intestine के part है duodenum, jejunum and ileum. So correct option is option B, large intestine. The is the largest bone in the human body. Sternum, tibia, femur, stapes. The correct answer is option C, femur. The largest bone in the human body is femur, and the smallest bone in the human body is stapes. The is the major muscle responsible for breathing in humans. Trapezium, diaphragm, rectus abdominis, sternocleidomastoid. The correct answer is option B. Diaphragm is the major muscle responsible for breathing in the humans. The process by which molecule of solvent tend to pass through a semi-permeable membrane from less concentrated solution into a more concentrated one is called ultrafiltration, active transport, osmosis, and diffusion. The correct answer is option C, osmosis. The process by which molecule of a solvent tend to pass through a semi-permeable membrane from less concentrated solution into a more concentrated solution, one is called osmosis. Which of the following is not a function of sympathetic nervous system? Increase heart rate, rest and digest, increase blood pressure, fight and flight. Increase heart rate, increase blood pressure, and fight and flight are the function of sympathetic nervous system, but the rest and digest are the function of parasympathetic nervous system. So here the correct answer is option B, rest and digest. The highest amount or ATP are formed in following type of cycle: glycolysis, Krebs cycle, PDH, pyruvic acid formation. And the highest amount of ATP are formed in Krebs cycle. So here the correct answer is option B, Krebs cycle. Plasma osmolarity range is. Next question, 1 gram hemoglobin carrying how much oxygen? 2.34 ml oxygen per gram, 3.34 ml oxygen per gram, 1.34 ml oxygen per gram, 0.34 ml oxygen per gram. And here the correct answer is option C. 1 gram hemoglobin carrying 1.34 ml oxygen per gram. Which is the largest gland of the human body? Stomach, small intestine, pancreas, and liver. And the liver is the largest gland of the human body. So here the correct answer is option D, liver. Major artery in the upper limbs: basilar artery, mesenteric artery, axillary artery, and femoral artery. तो यहाँ पे बेसलार आर्टरी जो है वो ब्रेन को ब्लड सप्लाई करती है, तो ये भी यहाँ पे इनकरेक्ट आंसर रहेगा। और मेसेंटेरिक आर्टरी है वो भी इंटेस्टाइन को सप्लाई करती है, तो यहाँ पे ये भी इनकरेक्ट आंसर होगा। और फेमोरल आर्टरी जो है वो लोअर लिम्ब्स को ब्लड सप्लाई करती है, तो ये भी इनकरेक्ट आंसर होगा अपना। लेकिन जो एक्सिलरी आर्टरी है वो अपर लिम्ब्स को सप्लाई करती है और एक तरह से मेजर आर्टरी, तो यहाँ पे करेक्ट आंसर क्या रहेगा? ऑप्शन सी, एक्सिलरी आर्टरी। Thyroxine hormone are secreted by following glands: thymus gland, thyroid gland, ovary, and pituitary gland. So here the correct answer is option B, thyroid gland. Thyroxine hormone are secreted by thyroid gland. Testosterone secreted which cell? Epididymis, half-Bure cell, leading cell of testes, and Sertoli cells. And here the correct answer is option C. The testosterone secreted by leading cells of testes. Which of the following contains deoxygenated blood? Aorta, pulmonary artery, subclavian artery, and pulmonary vein. All arteries carry oxygenated blood and all veins carry deoxygenated blood. But pulmonary artery हमेशा deoxygenated blood को कैरी करती है, और ये डीऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड को हार्ट के राइट वेंट्रिकल से लंग्स तक पहुंचाती है, ताकि डीऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड लंग्स में ऑक्सीजनेटेड हो सके। और ऑक्सीजनेटेड होने के बाद पल्मोनरी वेन के थ्रू पल्मोनरी वेन्स के थ्रू ये ब्लड वापस हार्ट के लेफ्ट चैम्बर में लाया जाता है। ओके, सो pulmonary artery always carry deoxygenated blood and pulmonary vein always carry oxygenated blood. So here the correct answer is option B, pulmonary artery. Blind spot is located on the sclera, choroid, retina, and iris. And here the correct answer is option C. Blind spot is located on the retina. Optic nerve is first cranial nerve, second cranial nerve, third cranial nerve, and fifth cranial nerve. And the correct answer is option B. Optic nerve is a second cranial nerve, and the first cranial nerve is olfactory, and the third cranial nerve is oculomotor, and fifth cranial nerve is trigeminal. The bone most frequently fractured during delivery is the radius, humerus, clavicle, and ulna. And here the correct answer is option C. Which part of the brain regulates posture and balance? Option A, midbrain. B, medulla oblongata. C, cerebellum. D, cerebrum. And here the correct answer is option C. Cerebellum part of the brain regulate posture and balance. Normal urine output per day is 150 ml, 500 ml, 1500 ml, and 5000 ml. And here the correct answer is option C. The normal urine output per day is 1500 ml. Human skeletal system consists of 201 bones, 206 bone, 198 bones, and 105 bones. And here the correct answer is option B. The human skeleton system consists of 206 bones. Movement of bone toward the midline is A. Abduction, extension, adduction, and circumduction. And the correct answer is option C, adduction. Movement of bone toward the midline is called adduction. And here the abduction means movement of bone away from midline, मतलब बोन का मूवमेंट होना मिडलाइन से दूर की तरफ. एंड एक्सटेंशन मीन्स, एक्सटेंशन का मीन्स यहाँ पे होगा कि इट इंक्रीज एंगल बिटवीन टू बोन्स. जैसे कि अगर हाथ के लोअर लिम्ब को अपर लिम्ब से दूर ले जाया जाए तो अल्ना और ह्यूमरस बोन के बीच में एंगल बढ़ जाएगा और इसे ही एक्सटेंशन मूवमेंट कहते हैं. एंड अडक्शन मीन्स तो हो गया मूवमेंट टुवर्ड द मिड लाइन. एंड सर्कमडक्शन मीन्स होता है कि सर्कल में मूवमेंट होना. फॉर एग्जाम्पल शोल्डर मूवमेंट एंड हिप मूवमेंट. हीमोग्लोबिन इज a polysaccharide, a protein, an enzyme, and a hormone. And here the correct answer is option B. Hemoglobin is the length of uterine tube is approximately 5 centimeter, 20 centimeter, 15 centimeter, and 10 centimeter. And the correct answer is option D. The length of uterine tube and fallopian tube is approximately 10 centimeters. Peg cells are seen in vulva, ovary, vagina, and fallopian tube. And the correct answer is option D. Peg cells are seen in fallopian tubes, and peg cells provide nutrition to the sperm and ovum. When the sperm and ovum traveling in the fallopian tube, and it also help in fertilization. Isolate of Langerhans produce bile, insulin, renin, and trypsin. And here the correct answer is option B. The beta cell of islet of Langerhans produce insulin hormone. The absorption of fats and glycerol take place in the stomach, ileum, cecum, and large intestine. And here the correct answer is option B. The absorption of fats and glycerol all take place in the ileum part of small intestine. Fatty acid can be transported into and out of the cell membrane by osmosis, diffusion, active transport, and facilitated transport. So here the correct answer is option D. The fatty acid can be transported into a normal value of sodium 120 to 130 million milliequivalent per liter, 135 to 145 milliequivalent per liter, 100 to 130 milliequivalent per liter, and 200 to 210 milliequivalent per liter. And the correct answer is option B, 135 to 145 milliequivalent per liter. The longest and strongest bone of the human body is humerus, tibia, radius, and femur. And the correct answer is option D. The longest and strongest bone of the human body is femur. Deltoid muscle is found in lower limb, upper back, upper limb, and abdomen. The correct answer is option C. The deltoid muscle is found in upper limbs. The life cycle of RBC is 60 days, 80 days, 90 days, and 120 days. And the life cycle of RBC in adult is 120 days, and the life cycle of RBC in infant is 80 days. So here correct answer is D, 120 days. Next. Meninges are the covering of brain and spinal cord, lungs, kidneys, and heart. And here the correct answer is option A, brain and spinal cord. Meninges consist of three layers: pyometer, arachnometer, and durameter. And the meninges not only cover the brain but it also covers the spinal cord. So the outermost covering of brain and spinal cord is called meninges. Central nervous system is consist of brain, spinal cord, brain and spinal cord, and spine only. And correct answer is option C. The central nervous system is consist of brain and spinal cord. Chambers of the human heart are one atria and one ventricles, one atria and two ventricles, two atria and one ventricle, or two atria and two ventricle. And here the correct answer is option D, because the human head have two atria and two ventricle. Question: portal circulation is related to brain, heart, lungs, and liver. And here the correct answer is option D, because portal circulation is related to liver. Food reservoir is known as esophagus, stomach, small intestine, and large intestine. And the correct answer is option B. Food reservoir is called stomach. Right lungs is divided into one lobe, three lobe, two lobes, or four lobes. And here the correct answer is option C. Sorry, option B, three lobes. The right lungs is divided into three lobes, but the left lungs have two lobes. Reservoir of urine known as bladder, kidney, spleen, and large intestine. And here the correct answer is option A, bladder. Joints of skull are known as sutural joints, synovial joints, cartilaginous joint, and all of the above. And here the correct answer is option A. The joint of skull are known as sutural joint. Dermatome is the part of joint, skin, bone, and muscle. And here the correct answer is option B. The dermatome is the part of skin. The gastric juice is produced by liver, pancreas, stomach, and intestine. And correct answer is option C. The gastric juice is produced by stomach. Thank you guys for watching my video and supporting me. Please like and share it and subscribe our channel.